Okay, let's share. Let's share our screen. Okay, let's have a note reading test. So this is our B part of a sixth video lesson. Okay, so note reading test. Okay, so you have to pause. Yes, C, A, B, cap, F, A, D, E, F, A, D, E, fade, G, A, G, E, so G, A, G, E, gauge, next, A, C, and E, ace. Okay, next is C, A, wait, my maram. Okay, C, A, and then B, B, A, G, E. Okay, so C, A, B, B, A, G, E, that is cabbage. Okay, next. B, A, G, G, A, G, E, baggage, B, A, baggage. Okay, and last, D, E, E, D, D, deed. Akala ko dead. Okay, now let's go to the last one. This is the old mix wheel. Okay, let's read it first. So this is D. Our time signature is 3/4. So we have 3 beats in every measure. And we are in the key of G. Key of G. So if there is a F, you have to play F sharp. So this is the key of D. So first one, and our time signature is 3/4. So you have to count 3 in every measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. D, B. Connect that. C, B, A, D, B, C, B, A, G, G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C, D, C, G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C, B. Let's play. Let's play instead here. So G position. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Slur. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Then soft. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. C, B, A, G. 2, 3. G, B, D. G, B, D. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. G, B, D. G, B, D. One more time. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C, B, A, G, 2, 3. G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C, B. Then double bar line, which means the end of keys. Now let's see your left hand. Let's play our left. G major. G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, B. 2, 3. Then D. 2, 3. B. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. B, A. D, 2, 3. B, 2, 3. C, B, A, G. 2 again. G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. G, B, D, G, B, D, A, B, C, B. 1, 2, 3, B, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, B, A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. C, B, A, G. Okay, now let's play together. Okay. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, B, D, then 3. Then sabay slowly. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Can we do it again? One more time. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, just practice it. This is in the key of G. Okay, so that is page 25. So next time we're going to continue with 8 notes. Okay, 8 notes. 8 notes, we have 2 beats in every measure. Okay, and after the scale, we're going to tackle we will study a new piece. Okay, popular piece. Okay, thank you very much, Joven, and good night and God bless you.